see us at any point today, feel free to say hi. You don't need to pay $40 fucking to come meet us. I promise you I'll talk to you for free. Yeah. If you do have our meet and greet ticket, well, we're gonna have some hot dogs, alright? We have shirts downstairs for $15. Okay? I wanna pet your dog! This song goes out to all your two fucking dogs. If you ever do one, give them on the list. Walking down the street, I see a fluffy dog. Holy shit, I wanna pet that dog. I'll bet any blood, I don't care what kind. Nasty, sticky, I don't mind. Hey, buddy, I wanna pet your dog. Hey, buddy, I wanna pet your dog. I always get the treat, I'm always back and gone. You can call me Bob and Joe. Don't blow my brain out, the blood's on your head. Our dogs really think of what they have. Hey, that's right. Belly love that cooking. I fucking love all the noise moving. Hey, buddy, I wanna pet your dog. Please, buddy, I wanna pet your dog. Thank you so fucking much. Everyone get in. Get in, we're gonna take a picture. Everyone get in.